Good morning, student. Today I will discuss the solution of quadratic equation by quadratic formula. The quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then what is quadratic formula? Quadratic formula. How it is formed? It is formed by using completing square method of solving quadratic equation. What is completing square method? We take this equation ax square bx plus c equal to 0. Divide this equation by a, then you get x square plus b upon ax plus c upon a equal to 0. Now, we make both these terms as a completing square. X and half of the coefficient of this, that means b upon 2a whole square and minus b square upon square of this term is 4a square plus c upon a equal to 0. We take these two terms to the right side, x b upon 2a whole square equal to b square upon 4a square minus c upon a, taking LCM, b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. Taking root of both sides, x plus b upon 2a is equal to plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. Now we shift this part also to the right side, x equal to b upon 2a plus minus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Again taking LCM, x is equal to minus plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is known as quadratic formula for finding the root of a quadratic equation. Now, we will discuss the nature of roots by using this quadratic formula. Now, what happens if b square minus 4ac greater than 0? In that condition, equation has two distinct real roots. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then equation has two equal real root. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, in that case equation does not have real roots. That means in this case the equation has imaginary root. This imaginary word comes in your 11th class if you study the mathematics in 11th class. Now, these are three nature of the root of given quadratic equation. Now, we will take some questions. For that, the formula being clearly understood. We take one question from your exercise 4.3. There is one word problem in this exercise. The question is look like a train travels 300 kilometer at uniform speed, 360 kilometer at uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 kilometer more, kilometer per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. This is the question. Now we try to solve it by using quadratic formula. First, we convert this mathematical statement into the quadratic equation. As you have studied in science that speed equal to distance upon time. Speed equal to distance upon time, or you can say that time is equal to distance upon speed. In first statement, train travel 300 kilometer, that means distance is your 300 kilometer. at a uniform speed, the speed of the train you don't know, that the let the uniform speed of the train equal to x kilometer per hour. Now in first statement, distance is this, speed is this, the time t1 is equal to distance 360 kilometer, speed x kilometer per hour, you will get time t1. Now in second statement, if the speed had been 5 kilometer more, that means speed is increased. In place of x, it will be x plus 5. Therefore, in second statement, the time taken by the train is, the distance is same, that means 360 kilometer, and speed is increased as 5 kilometer. Therefore, it will become x plus 5. Now, there are two times, in first case and in second case. In first case, the time taken by the train is more. And in second case, the time taken by the train is less. Why? Because speed of the train is increased. Therefore, and the difference of this time is 1 kilometer, because it would have taken 1 hour less. That means if speed is increased, then the time is 1 hour less. Therefore, difference between the two time is 1 hour. T1 minus T2 is equal to 1. That means 360 upon x minus 360 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1. We simplify this equation and convert it into the quadratic form. Take the LCM. LCM become x plus 5, and in numerator part this multiplied by this, 360 x plus 5 minus 360 x equal to 1. Open this bracket, it will become 360 x plus multiply 5 with 360, 500, 5 6 are 30, 3 carry on, 5 3s are 15 plus 3 18 minus 360x. Now we again open this bracket, it will x square plus 5x equal to 1. Now cross multiply this. These two terms cancel, negative, and 1800 is equal to x square plus 5x. So we shift this, therefore x square plus 5x minus 1800 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation formed by this mathematical statement. Now we solve this by using this quadratic formula. First of all, we find the coefficient, that means a, b and c. In this equation, a is 1, b is 5 and c is minus 1800. Therefore, root of the equation minus b, that means minus 5 plus minus b square, 25 minus 4 into 1 into minus 1800 upon 2a, 2 into 1. We substitute the value of a, b and c in this quadratic formula. we simplify this minus 5 plus minus square root 25 plus multiply this, you will get 4 8 ja 32, 4 1 ja 4 3 7 upon 2. Now add these plus minus 7,225 divided. Now we find the square root of 7,225. 7,225. You have studied finding the square root in 8th class. Make pair. 8 8 is 64. Now, what is the remainder? 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. Copy this next pair. It's double. 5 times. 5 5 is 25. 2 carry on. 5 6 is 30 plus 2 32. 3 carry on. 5 1 is 5 8. That means square root of 7,225 is 85. Minus 5 plus minus 85 divided by 2. We can write minus 5 plus 85 divided by 2 and minus 5 minus 85 divided by 2. One plus another minus. Now here 80 upon 2, here 90 minus 90 upon 2. From this you will get 40, from this you will get minus 45. Now come to the question. Here is a train. Can a train have negative speed? I think no. And you also think no. Therefore, the solution of this quadratic equation under this special condition is only x is equal to 40 because the speed of train cannot be minus 45. Hence, uniform speed of the train is equal to 40 kilometers per hour. This is the way how to simplify a particular problem by using quadratic formula. Now we will discuss nature of root also by using this quadratic formula. We will take one question and analyze that the given quadratic equation, what type of root it has. From NCERT textbook question exercise 4.4, question first, third part. In this question, find the nature of the root of the following quadratic equation. If the roots exist, then find them. The equation is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. From this quadratic equation, first we find nature of root. If they exist, then we will find that. Now, for finding the nature of root, you will first find b square minus 4ac. This is called discriminant. And by judging the value of this term, we can predict or analyze or say that the equation has what type of root. b is minus 6, therefore minus 6 square minus 4 into a into 2 into c into 3, and this will be plus 36, 4 to the a, and this is minus 24. After subtracting, you will get 12. Have you seen that the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0? In this case, the roots of this equation are real and distinct. If real and distinct, then we will find it, the root of the equation, by using quadratic formula. X equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a minus minus 6 plus minus square root 12, because the value of b square minus 4ac is 12, divided by 2 into 2, minus minus plus, plus 6 plus minus square root. You can make the factor 4 into 3, and the root of 4 is 2. That means 2 root 3 divided by 4. Or here is 2 is common factor. We can write 2 plus minus square root 3 divided by 4. That means 2 plus minus square root 3 divided by 2. Therefore, this equation has two real and distinct roots. And what are the root? That means 2 plus square root 3 divided by 2 and 2 minus square root 3 divided by 2. This is the way how we can analyze a particular quadratic equation, then that what type of root it has, real, distinct, real equal, or have no real root. In this case, because the value of b square minus 4ac is 12 and it is greater than 0, then the equation has real and distinct root. That's all for today. Try to solve the question of these two exercises, exercise 4.3 and 4.4. That's all for today. Good day.